Out here at AutoZone in Wareham picking up a battery, some starting fluid. We're going to pick the truck up. It's happening right now. Got the necessities. Battery, some starting fluid. Got 2 tires. That is marked. Let's go get it.
Scott. It doesn't have a hood and fenders and everything.
Buddy, we know. It's got a mint cab, running, driving engine. Perfect donor for what we need to do.
How's it running and driving engine? It don't have the
Would you stop?
How are you going to drive this on the trailer?
What do you mean?
The oil transmission lines ain't hooked up.
That's fine. It's not gonna get that hot.
Yeah, but you need go-go juice.
Oh, you're right. Well, Marketplace strikes again. He told me the frame wasn't bent, but I guess just the parts that he cut off, you know, just the parts he cut off, or those were the bent parts. The fuel lines weren't hooked up. That looks like it's been, but on the bright side, it does have all new bushings, CVs, shocks. It's got the PPE manifolds, up pipes and down pipe. And there's all new hardware here and plenty of gasket makers. So I do believe when he says the injectors were just done. It is stock head bolts. Gotta fix them. It was painted though. So like I said, this was for the cab. I think he was gonna repaint it. I really don't know what the fuck he did. But the rockers are solid. The frame is solid. He put some plates here. It's got lowering shackles, a spare rear end. He did brace the frame and cut the spare tire mount out, new U-bolts. Bilsteins in the rear, good drive shaft. So ultimately, what I bought it for as a parts truck is exactly what it is. The interior is disgusting, but it is pretty clean. So I think with some work, this thing will shine bright like a diamond. He claims everything in the front end is new. The inner tie rod determined that was a lie. He also hacked the front of the frame off, which is fine because I can still put the radiator mount there. That one, not so much. Steering stabilizer, Bluetooth. Luckily I have another stock turbo at home. It was covered with a tarp when I got there. But it was a part out. I just bought the whole thing instead of just having him take the engine apart. The cab was good and painted. It's got the older style interior, which I kind of like. It's got all the stash spots up there. Here's the interior. Digital dash doesn't tell me the mileage because I'm afraid to put power to it right now, being everything's disconnected. Found a lighter that works. That's cool. It's got the lock-in center console. What do we got in here? Hopefully no needles. A little toothpaste. Some Diablo sauce. Yep, sorry, Mom. It's not a phase. I'm still frivolous with my money. What's this? Ooh, cigar cutter. This guy definitely smoked weed. It stinks like weed in here. Little cubby. It's in the glovey. Oh, he's a Christian. What's up here? Nothing. Ooh, pair of shades. Oh, those are sick. This must have been his driving glasses. Seats are pretty mint. Interior's mint. Glasses all mint. It's all new because he did put quite a bit of work into it before he wrecked it. What's this say? This vehicle is equipped with a Duramax diesel engine. Due to the possible breathing problems under rapid acceleration, all females are advised to remove any tight-fitting constrictive clothing for their safety. I like that. Mint dash. New windshield. I mean, the kid did put a lot of work into this before he got in the accident. So, like I said, I'm pretty happy with it. You guys might not see the vision, but I do. Ooh, got nice Sony speakers too. You know, he's missing this door, which he told me he sold. A little dent in the cab. He didn't show me that in the ad. Ooh, one thing I do like about this, it's got the cab lights. Always wanted cab lights. He did do some plating on the frame, so that'll look good with a bed on it. I don't know who welded it. Oh, you want to see some good welds? Look at those beauties. Penetration. A little bit of rust on the other side of the cab, but not nearly as bad as I expected. It does have lowering shackles that are greasable. Brand new hitch. Bumper. Not mint. But all in all, what injectors alone would have cost me, I bought this entire truck. So you're looking probably, this will probably be the future Cobb job, mod shop, burnout truck. I'll slap my other heads on there, and this thing will probably go through 20 sets of head gaskets in its life. I don't know, do some crazy shit with it. Swap the cab this winter. Fucking mint LED plate lamps. Nice new hitch. Mark's gonna buy the hitch for 500 bucks. So I'm already recouping money on this. Look at these fucking welds, dude. So mint. I understand what he did there. He wanted the frame to look good with the bed on, but there's better ways to do it. Look at that. It's good stuff. It's good stuff. Custom shock mounts. Stiffened up the frame. I did the same thing on my truck. This is also new. I need one of these for my truck. Drive shaft's mint. I need a yoke for mine, so boom, new yoke. Siphon the fuel out of it. Cheap fuck. Check out this cab mount. Mint. Said he put cab corners in it. Sure did. Yeah, it was just painted. And then I started wet sanding it, and then I never buffed it. She's a diamond in the rough, boys. Diamond in the rough.
Stop it. Get some help.